The problem of unemployment is getting more and more, and the increasing population shows a trend that is horrifying. Good evening, everyone. My today's topic of discussion is unemployment in India, root causes and solutions. Unemployment is increasing day by day, and the population as well. When there's a gap between these two, the areas would be more increased and the resources will be less, and the job creation is less, but the job people who wants the job are increasing more and more. The root causes can be divided into three parts. The first one is the knowledge gap and the job gap, which means that the person eligible for the job is not getting the job that he wants, and he drops the idea of working under the caliber of his own. The second would be that in the rural areas we find that most of the people are going for jobs in early ages, but combinedly, if I talk about urban areas and rural areas, we can see that the people are studying more for developing their skills, and then they are getting jobs. But the thing is that the areas where the skills should be developed, they are not developing the skills properly, and also the gap shows the trend in which the people are mostly dropping the idea of jobs and the things. The third would be the youth who are not disciplined, and they don't wanted that they are getting they are not in good direction, and they are not focusing in the areas where they can directly go and attempt for the employment. Also the pressure is on the one person that is earning in the family, and the other are just not having an idea of an employment opportunities. The solution can be as follows. First one, that the people can have more caliber due to the skills. So skills are most important thing, and engaging more programs so that people and youth can generate more skills can help them in going for the further employment opportunities. Creating second option would be creating more employment opportunities so that people can go for the more jobs options. Third option would be that youth should be trained, and people also should be trained for some of the various opportunities. Like, we should not just dealt with the option that these are the only 4 options and you have to choose between them, but creating more options and more wide areas in which they can go and get their jobs, so that it would be a more helpful area, and people can also get a multi-dimensional area to get their jobs. This can be a solution again. Unemployment is a problem, but there are many solutions through which we can go further to make our such a high population as an asset, so that our future would be more greater, and our economy and our development would go hand in hand with a great height. Thank you. Jai Hind.